myself Alok Ghosh. In this video, I am going to discuss about nutrition in plants. This topic I have taken from NCERT class 7 chapter 1. Okay. So before discussing about nutrition in plant, what is nutrition? Okay. So what do you guys and understand by the nutrition? Okay. So, nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and utilization of this food within the body. Okay, so the process of taking food and utilizing the food is called nutrition. So, as we know that every living organism requires certain things which is essential and necessary for their livelihood, like carbohydrate, vitamin, mineral. These all are the things which comes under nutrition. Means these all are the things which is required for a living being for their growth and development. So things like carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, these all are the components of this nutrients. Okay. So what are the nutrients? Carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, these all are component of nutrient. Means nutrient contain carbohydrate, protein, vitamin, and these all things is required for our growth and also for preparing for maintaining the damaged tissue, okay, or the damaged part of our body. For maintaining these all things, this nutrient is been required. And what do you understand by nutrition in plant? Nutrition in plant is the process of taking and utilizing the food by the plant. It's called nutrition in plant. So as we know that plant carry water and essential nutrients from soil. Then it transfers these things with the help of its stems to its leaves, and in the leaves there are small pores or green pores which is called chlorophyll. So in leaf this chlorophyll absorb or trap the sunlight. With the sunlight, water and nutrients, the leaf by the process of photosynthesis produces food for himself and utilizes it, which is required for the growth and development of the plant. Okay. So suppose I am just making a rough diagram of a leaf. In leaf there are lots of tiny dots or green color dots, pores are there, which is called chlorophyll. This chlorophyll traps the sunlight and with the help of water and nutrient absorbed by root, it produces food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So generally we see the plants having leaf having generally green color. So they produce their food by their own. So this mode of production of food by own is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay. In autotrophic mode of nutrition, the organism generally in autotrophic mode of nutrition, plants only come under this type of nutrition. Means plants are the only living organism which are able to produce their food by autotrophic nutrition. We humans are not able to produce the food by autotrophic nutrition. So autotrophic nutrition is the process by which plants produce their own food with the help of sunlight. Okay. We human as we are not able to trap the sunlight and convert this sunlight into the food. So that's why we humans are not able to do the autotrophic mode of nutrition. But plant, as they trap the sunlight and with the help of water and essential nutrient, with the by the process of photosynthesis, they prepare their own food, which is called autotrophic mode of nutrition. So this is about the autotrophic mode of nutrition, which generally most of the plant use this type of process for the production of their food. But there are also few plants which uses different mode of nutrition. Okay, like for example, heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So heterotrophic mode of nutrition is generally common in animal or human, but few plants which are not able to produce their food by themselves because they are not having chlorophyll. So they use this autotrophic mode of nutrition. So for example, cascata, which in Hindi we call as amarbil. We have seen a yellow color of amarbil having very thin stems or very thin outing. It's generally covered a green tree. Okay, means we have seen the amarbil. Okay, generally what this amarbil did, as this amarbil or cascata do not have their own chlorophyll and not able to produce food by themselves, so they just cover a plant from their from upside, and they absorb the food from that plant. Okay, so amarbil is an example which cannot able to produce their food by themselves. They are dependent on other plant for their food. Okay, so this mode of nutrition is called heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Now there is also a few plants which we call insectivorous plant. Okay, so what are insectivorous plant? Insectivorous plants are those plants which traps the insect, and with the help of certain digestive juices, they digest those insects and they prepare food for themselves. Okay, so there are few plants which are called as insectivorous plant, which by trapping insects prepare food for themselves. And the another example, one another type of mode of nutrition for plant is saprophytic mode of nutrition. So what is saprophytic mode of nutrition? So for the example of saprophytic plants are mushroom. Okay, these plant prepare their food by the dead or decaying material. By the dead or decaying material, this plant produce their food for themselves, or they feed from the dead or decaying material. Okay, so these are called saprophytic plant, and this type of nutrition is called saprophytic mode of nutrition. So till now we have discussed about four type of mode of nutrition. The first one is autotrophic mode of nutrition. So autotrophic mode of nutrition or autotrophs are those plants which produce their food by own with the help of sunlight, and they produce their food in the leaves with the help of process of photosynthesis. The another mode of nutrition is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The heterotrophic mode of nutrition or heterotrophs are those plants which are not able to produce food by themselves, and they generally depends on another plant for their food. The example is amarpel. Okay. Then the another is insectivorous plant. Insectivorous plants are those plants which traps insects, and from insects they prepare their food. Okay, and in the last and at the last The another mode or is called saprophytic mode of nutrition or saprophytes. These are the plants which produce or prepare their food from the dead or decaying material. Okay, so in this video we have discussed about what are nutrients are having components like carbohydrate, vitamin, minerals. Then nutrition in plant. Okay, that what is nutrition in plant? Nutrition in plant is nothing but it is the process by which plant takes and utilizes their food. Then after that we have discussed about the different modes of nutrition of the plant. The first one is autotrophic, the second one is heterotrophic, the third one are insectivorous plant, and at the last saprophytic. So that's it in this video. Thank you.